My name is Bonnie LaCorte and I work for Ohio Technical College. I am the Vice President of Student Engagement. Ohio Technical College is a career college. We train in the areas of automotive, auto diesel, high performance and racing, welding, and classic car restoration. We have an admissions department who have found that reaching students and potential students by text messaging is the way to go. Young people don't really check emails. So when we try to reach out by email, we don't usually hear back. Texting, we get an immediate response. If they reach out to them by text message, it allows them to converse back and forth, which has boosted our enrollment quite a bit. I would recommend easy texting to any business that wants to be able to reach a large amount of people in a very short amount of time. The best way to reach our students has always been texting. And let's face it, from a 12-year-old to my 80-year-old mother, they all have their phones and they all do text messaging.